Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'll be showing you how to draw a perch. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our perch fish, let's begin with the eye. So let's begin right here by making a circle shape for the eye. Then let's go ahead and make another circle. Now I'm going to color in most of this one, but I'm going to leave just a tiny bit white, just so it looks like there's a little bit of reflection. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to kind of go up, and it's going to kind of come up to here like this. Next, I'm going to bring this kind of up and kind of curve it back. I want to make a line that's going to come out, and we're going to curve it in. Then I'm going to bring this line down, and we're going to curve it around. Then we're going to make another line that's going to go out and curve around for some gills. Next, let's bring this line down, and we're going to curve it back here. Let's take this line up, and we're going to bring it down. I'm going to kind of curve around the bottom here. Then for the tail, I'm going to bring this line out and then come down. And the same thing here, we'll bring this down and then let's bring it up to create the tail. Now for the fins, let's begin by making some points. I'm going to make them get a little bit taller as they go up. And then I'm going to start making them get a little bit shorter. We'll put one more up here. Then let's go ahead and connect each one with like a little curve shape. We'll do one back here. We're just going to kind of go up and down. And then we're going to put a few lines on here. Down here, we're going to make a line that's going to come down and then curve up with a few little lines right here for some detail. Let's do one that kind of goes down. We'll come up and back, kind of a little bit more rectangular-ish. And we're going to make some lines on here. Right here for the little flipper, we're going to come up at an angle, down, and then back in. And then we're going to make some little lines like this for some detail. Then we want to put some stripes on our perch. So let's make some lines that are just going to kind of go down and up. We'll go down and up here. And we're just going to continue this all the way down towards the tail. Then on the tail, we're going to make some little lines like this. I'm going to add a couple little detail lines kind of right around here, the eyes and everything. A little bit along the stomach. And some by the mouth too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a perch. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.